Alright guys, Hyundai Sonata here. The power socket, the cigarette lighter doesn't work here. I'm just gonna show you where the fuse location is on this car, and if you guys need to know, and if you guys have a power shortage in the phone charger or the cigarette lighter there, it has two of them. Alright, all you're gonna do is get inside the car and you're gonna pop this little guy right here, right? You put your fingers right down here and you pull it out, right? And you're gonna have a lot of fuses in there. As you can see right there, there's a lot of fuses, all right? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys which fuse we need to check. But first, let's look at this cover right here. On this cover, you're gonna find the fuses, but my light is reflecting so much. All right, so let me see if I can set up something here that will help both of us, and nothing is gonna help both of us. All right, that's better right there. You see guys right here, it says power outlet, power outlet. There's two fuses there, clock right next to the left and a starter to the right. So those two fuses right there, power outlet and power outlet. All right, we're checking those. All right, so right in here you got a hell of a fuses. All right, and they're both 15 amp. So the two blue fuses right here, all right, so the two blue fuses right here are the fuses for the power socket. All right, check both of those, replace both of those if you need to, guys, and that's it. That will fix your problem. All right, and this is a very tight spot. I'm gonna end the video there, and make sure you close that back. So to change those fuses, just get a needle nose, pull them out and replace it with the new fuses, guys, and then check, plug in your cigarette lighter or a phone charger. If it works, good. If not, then check your phone charger itself. Sometimes the phone charger is bad. All right, and if the fuses blow right away, check both of your charging ports. Sometimes there's a penny stuck in it that will short circuit the circuit for the cigarette lighter, phone charger, power outlet, whatever you want to call it. All right guys, so bye bye man, that's it. If you need help, send me a message.